Hey everybody, it's Lance with Love to Hate. Got another unboxing video for you today. This time it is Scooby-Doo Betrayal at Mystery Mansion from Avalon Hill. This is a game that is based on the award-winning board game Betrayal at House on the Hill. This is a re-themed version of this game, more family-friendly. And so let's take a look at this together. Let's look at the back here. It says, Zoinks! What's going on at Mystery Mansion? Scooby-Doo and the gang will find out what's going on. Playing as one of the members of Mystery Inc., you explore Mystery Mansion and its grounds, uncover clues, encounter strange occurrences, and maybe even catch sight of a creepy creature. When you find enough clues to help solve the mystery, that's when the haunt starts, and one player will switch sides to play the role of the monster. Will you be able to stop them before they carry out their sinister plan? Based on the award-winning board game Betrayal at House on the Hill, Betrayal at Mystery Mansion offers 25 brand new haunts that are based on popular Scooby-Doo episodes and movies. Every time you play, it's a new game, making it the perfect family board game edition. All right, let's take a look inside here. All right, so we've got some punch boards, and these are the character tiles here. I'm gonna try and zoom out just a little bit more for you guys. We got Shaggy and Daphne, Scooby-Doo, Fred and Velma, and it looks like we got some Scooby snacks, maybe. So there you go. And we've got more punch boards. Lots of tokens in this game. And what is this, the haunt track maybe, or something? I'm not sure. And we've got some room tiles, lots of room tiles. Mausoleum. Outside, inside. And starting tiles, and standees in this game, no miniatures. And more tokens. And what else do we have? Got a rule book. The rule book is sealed. Let's see if I can't open this real quick. And so we've got our rule book. Ruh-roh! There you go. Is that coloring pages at the back? Not sure. And we have our monsters tomb and Secrets of Survival. I'm not going to open these up because these are obviously the haunts, and that would give major spoilers away. So don't want to do that. And then we have our cards. So let's see, open these up real quick. And what do we have here? These are our clue cards. Yeah, the mask. Yeah, they had to have the mask, right? Idol painting, signet ring, bottle, suitcase, treasure chest. There you go. And what are these? Event cards. I'm not going to show too many of these because I don't want to give anything away. But this all looks very similar to Betrayal at House on the Hill, just with the Scooby-Doo theme to it. And these are items. Again, I don't want to give too much away, but wheelbarrow, motor oil, banana, super shaggy sandwich. So there you go. And what is this? Different mystery cards. So this is a new component to the game, I believe. Not sure what that's all about. And of course, we have our dice. These look to be standard dice from the original Betrayal game that have 1 or 2 pips or none on them. So there you go. And our clips, keeping track of our stats, our character stats. And we have some standees, pretty generic standees, and that is the insert there. And so that is it. All right, guys, that is Betrayal, Scooby-Doo Betrayal at Mystery Mansion. We will be doing a playthrough and review of this in the near future. I hope this was exciting for you guys. I'm really looking forward to this game. Please consider liking and subscribing to this channel. We put out new content every week. We aim to help gamers find excellent games to play with their non-gamer friends. All right, guys, thanks for joining us today. This has been Love to Hate.